and my name is Mohammed Abubaker Siddique Saif, and I'm studying Master of Information Systems from University of Southern Queensland, and my assignment is from the subject Professional Skills for Business Analysis. Here's the table of content for my assignment, followed by introduction. In introduction, QCS company deals with the installation of insulations around the residential suburbs in Australia. The company has resorted to implement sales management software that will automate much of the manual work and operates in the organization. This report documents the problem with the older model and capabilities of the new system. The company has been utilizing written phone call scripts to record the client's call and schedule their appointments. There is a large number of calls at a time, and not all customers are attended. This results to callbacks and delays. The new software will automate the processes and enable the call center staff to make calls, receive calls, and access customers' resident data from one place. The work breakdown structure is a list of activities that will be carried out during the software development along with their expected deadlines. Here is the attachment of my work breakdown structure. Work breakdown structure highlights all the activities which will be done and the period which they will take in the completion of activities. It has an outline of activities, the task, and the duration the activities will take. These all are my activities, and these are the tasks and the duration given here. For example, for coding the system, it is an activity. The implementation of the user's interface is a task, and it requires 3 days. Followed by system or product vision statement. Problem description. Main problem of QCS installation companies, which was operating 3 years ago, was it has 28 staff and 20 was working as a call center staff, and 28 of them was sales team, and these 20 was operating the call center, and they were receiving calls, and the major problem was call track they were there was improper means to track callbacks, so calls were missing and customers could not schedule their appointments. This was made easier by introduction of this software. Sales management software will help in managing all calls, track the contacts for a callback, as well as share appointments and record of all call conversations for reference. The use of software will ensure that the call center staff does not forget to call back in time. Furthermore, the system will ensure that all clients are well vetted in accordance with the phone script. System capabilities. These system capabilities consist of database, gaining access to residential data, security features, GPS capabilities, scheduling capabilities. Benefits of the system to QCS installations. Much of the benefits are given here. Call center staff will know the client which they should call back. This will help in preventing the mistake which was done before, whereby call center staff could forget to make callbacks. The head of the sales will see how the sales people are ranked. This will help in knowing the performance of each salesperson, and other benefits are also given here. The third task is stakeholders analysis. The effective integration of sales management software will depend greatly on the interest of various stakeholders other than interest in the project. The stakeholders have roles to play. They will partake in the automation of brought about by new system and will need to know how sales are improved through the processes. Here is the stakeholders which are given here, and the interest, motivation and goals, degree of influence, level of interest, RACA category and actions. The main stakeholder is the chief executive officer. The interest to see effective workflow and increase in the volume of sales. The new project should not be a liability but rather a profitability. And degree of influence is high, level of interest is high, RACI category is 1, and actions is main player. Those activities involved with project. These are the activities that member of the project development teams in take place. The team member needs to have a high comprehensive of the system requirements so that the end product is of required quality. And various activities are given here. Those not involved but influence the project. Here is the description of the persons who are not involved but influence the project. System users consist of clients and employees of the company. The clients are only interested with the improved customer service delivery according to Bano and Zaugi 2015. Elicit- Elicitation of requirements. Elicitation method helps in identifying the need of stakeholders. This is helpful in ensuring that the system is in line with expectations. The following techniques will be used, like interviewing the management and staff, brainstorming the salespeople and call center staff, questionnaires. Various questionnaires will be sent through emails or other methods to the management and staff. Various observations are done on the sales team and customer service teams. ASIS process flow diagram. The purpose of ASIS process flow diagram is to illustrate the current operation model of the company. The process flow diagram demonstrate the calling procedures in the company. Here is the process flow diagram, and ASIS is given, operation is given here. Moscow analysis ranks the system requirements as a guide of the project implementation project, as shown here. And use cases. Use cases will describe the action of various entities. Below is the use case diagram showing the new system actors and their roles, called QCS installation. Here's the call center team. Here's the sales representatives. Here's management staff. And here is the flow diagram. All the activities are given here. Accessing residential data bank. All the activities are given here in the table format. Schedule appointment, events which take place, initiating events, descriptions, actors, stakeholders, preconditions, postconditions, flow of activities also given here, expect exceptional conditions. The representative must have stored his her appointment in the calendar. Report generation will be done. User account management, scenario triggering, and all the activities are given here. I will provide a video link of my assignment, and here's my references which I have taken from for making this assignment. And the appendix, project journal activities are given here. All the activities which were done on the with regarding to date, activities, explanation and status and action plan. Over here, Thus, my assignment is completed. Thank you. Thank you for being a part of my assignment.